Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing about the topic the cubes and cube roots and worksheet 1 question number 2. Which of the following numbers are perfect cubes? Examples already we have done. So 4096. So 4096. Even number start with the 2. 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 4s are 8, 1 remains, 2 8s are 16. Try with 2, 1s are 0, 2s are 4, 4s are 8. Again 2, 5s are 10, 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Group it in triplets. Now again try with 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 remains, 5s are 10, 1 remains, 6s are 12, 2, 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 remains, 8s are 16, again 2, group it, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2, 3s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2, 1s are 2, 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16. Now 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Is it okay? Now we will write 4096 can be written as 1 2 3 4. 2 cube 4 times. That means it is a perfect cube. Answer 4096 is a perfect cube. Okay. Now coming to the next 108. 2 5s are 10, 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 1 remains, 2 7s are 14. Now not with 2, it is a 3, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are. So you got 108 can be written as 2 square and 3 cube. So it is square. That is why 108 is not a perfect cube. Isn't it? Now coming to the third sum, 392. Start with 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 9s are 18. 1 remains. 2 6s are 12. Again with 2. 2 9s are 18. 1 remains. 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 1 remains. 2 9s are 18. Now directly 7 7s are. So again it is a 2 cube into 7 square. It is 7 square. That is why answer 392 is not a perfect cube. Okay. Now coming to minus 27,000. So don't put the sign. Find out the prime factorization. 2 1s are 3s are 6, 5s are 10, 2 zeros, 2, 6 are 12, 7 are 14, 5 are 10, 0, 2, 3 are 6, 3 are 6, 1 remains, 7 are 14, 1 remains, 5 are 10. Now check for 3. 3, 10, 15, 18. Yes, divisible by 3. 1s are 3, 1s are 3, 2s are 6, 5s are 15. 3, this is 7, 8, 9. That is why 3. 3 3s are 9, 2 remains. 7s are 21, 1 remains. 5s are 15. Again with 3, because 10, 15. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Now 125 is of 5. So 5 25s are, isn't it? Now 5 5s are, 5 1s are. So negative it is. So negative sign, you put it out and then 2 cube, 3 cube and 5 cube. So answer, it can be written in cubes, isn't it? So it is a minus 27000 is a perfect cube. Okay. So we have completed the question number 2 up to subdivision 4. Now coming to the fifth sum, it is a rational number. For rational number, we have told the numerator and denominator we have to see separately. So 64, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16. Now it is 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Okay. Now 1 3 3 1, you know the table, isn't it? So it is 11 cube. So 121, 11 1s are. So negative bracket open 2 cube into 2 cube and denominator can be written as 11 cube. So answer minus 64 upon 1331 is a perfect cube. Is it clear? Hope everyone understood. The question number 2. Is it a perfect cube? What we have to do? We have to find out the prime factorization. See whether they can be arranged in the group of 3, that is triplets. Now coming to the third sum, it is which is the smallest number by which 2560 must be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube. Read the question properly and then start solving. 2560 can be written as, first do the prime factorization. 2560, 2 1s are, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 0, 2 6s are 12, 4s are 8, 0, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 0. Now again 2 1s are 2, 1 remains, 6 are 12, 0, 2 8s are 16, 0, 2 4s are 8, 0, Now 2 20s are 40, 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10. Now 5 1s are, isn't it? So write 2560 can be written as 2 cube, first set, second set, third set. 2 cube, 2 cube and 5. Now 5 is extra. Now they have asked what is the number to be multiplied. So answer 2560 must be multiplied by, we have got only 1 5. We need extra 2 5s, isn't it? By 5 square. 5 square, that is 25. We need 2 extra 5s. So it must be multiplied by 25 so that the product is a perfect cube. हमें कितना एक्स्ट्रा चाहिए? ये तीनों ट्रिपलेट्स में है, इधर एक 5 है तो हमें और 2 5 चाहिए, तो इसके लिए 5 5s are 25. Okay. Now coming to the fourth sum. Find the smallest number by which 8788 be divided, which is to be removed. So 8788 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 9s are 18, 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 1s are 2, 1 remains, 9s are 18, 1 remains, 7s are 14. Now 2197 is the cube of 13. So it is 13 1s are 13 and 8 remains, then it is 6. So directly you can write 13 169s are, now 13 13s are 13 1s are. So if you know the square and the cube, you can write directly. So it can be written as 2 square and 13 cube. See, which is not pair, which is not written in groups of 3, that is triplets. You underline it and then think which is the number to be divided. So 2 square is extra, we have to remove it. So answer 8788 must be divided by 2 square, that is 4, so that the quotient is a perfect cube. इधर 2 square extra है, उसको निकालने का है, that is 2 square is 4, has to be divided, isn't it? Now coming to the fifth sum, whether it is true or false. 650 is not a perfect cube. Check. 650. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 5s are 10. Now directly 5, 5 6 are 30, 2 remains, 5s are 25. Now 5 13s are 65, 13 1s are. So 650 can be written as 2, 5 square and 13. That means, is it a perfect cube? It is not a perfect cube. So the answer is true. Isn't it? This is a rough work. Now perfect cubes may end with 2 zeros. Any cube, does it have 2 zeros? No. 10 cube is 1000. 20 cube is 8000. So it is not ending with 2 zeros. So answer is false. Now you can write 10 cube is 1000 and 20 cube is 2000. So it is ending with 3 zeros. Perfect cubes of odd numbers may not always be odd. May not always be odd. They are always odd. So again the statement is false. Cube of negative numbers are negative. True. Always negative number cube, it is a negative. For a number to be a perfect cube, it must have the prime factors in triplets. Yes, we are grouping in a triplets. So the answer is true. Isn't it? Hope you have understood all the sums. We have completed worksheet 1 of our cubes and cube roots. Okay then, bye. Thank you for watching the video.